So I've decided to make kind of a different kind of video talking about Etsy. So basically, I feel like there's a lot of YouTube channels that talk about how great it is and how much money they're making from digital products, and basically make money while you sleep and just, create these 100 products and then you're gonna be a millionaire kind of thing. And I'm not saying they're not making the money. I mean, there's no way for us to know that, right? I'm just saying that this is not really my experience, and I just want to share with you what my journey with Etsy has been, kind of the downsides of it, and also the good sides, because there's both. So basically, I've started my Etsy shop 2 years ago, and in the very beginning, I had a top selling product which went crazy. It was really good. It was actually really easy. So I'm just, saying everything that I said that it doesn't happen. It happens when you have the right product at the right time. But then it could be that the market changed. It could be that the product isn't as needed, or I told my audience on YouTube this product and then I just got a way more competition. So basically, if you find a digital product that's still on its early stages, so it's not Lightroom presets and it's not digital planners, not saying that they couldn't work, they still work, but if you find something else and you're one of the first, let's say 100 people that start that, and you can actually get to the first pages of Etsy, it works like magic. But the thing is that with Etsy, because everything is searchable and you can see all the competitors and all the competitors can see you, it's very tricky to stay that way. It's very tricky to keep getting money from a product. If your product is a little more expensive, then you kind of ramp up quicker, but then it's also harder to sell. If your product is very cheap, then it's a whole other issue because maybe you just don't sell enough. But the thing is that no matter what, no matter, which product you find, it is a learning process. It's a learning curve. And you need to learn SEO, you need to learn how to do your listings right, you need to learn the descriptions, you need to learn and find the right products, and it just doesn't happen overnight. So if you started your Etsy journey and it's just, you feel stuck, I feel like it's part of the process for most people. There are those little cases where they earn a lot of money, usually with physical products, and selling physical products is very different from selling digital. Also for me, the way my taxes work, I can choose whether I say that my expenses were 30% or I can deduct all of the fees and things like that. And the thing is that I have multiple ways that I'm making money right now, and one of them is client work. And with client work, I have 0 expenses. And then with Etsy, I have a lot of expenses and also run ads and whole other can of worms. So basically, when I have to choose whether I'm deducting, either way, I'm gonna lose money. So I'm either losing money from my clients because I can't deduct 30%, or I'm losing money from Etsy because 30% of expenses is nothing on Etsy. I have way more, and especially if you have a physical product that's gonna ramp up very quickly. One of the ways that I'm thinking of solving this is actually to get some help for my client work, and then once I pay the assistant, I can do that deducting. So I'm guessing this is not the most interesting thing, but if you're feeling down and if you're feeling like it's never gonna work for me, all of those things, and self-doubt, know that you're not alone. Leave your feelings in the comments. See you next time.